Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you along on my third annual harvest party, my favorite party of the year. I'm going to share with you my menu and some added festive fall touches to my patio, enjoying time with our friends before heading out to this year's corn maze. Let me know if you too are planning a harvest party this autumn season. And if you're new here, my name is Karen and welcome. Hi friends, today is the day of my annual harvest party. Yes, we have the perfect weather today. I am so excited. We've got 10 guests coming, and of course we've got Captain Jake. He's been studying the corn maze. We're gonna go on the hardest one tonight. We're gonna have so much fun by the fire pit, sipping on some festive drinks. I've got a great menu planned. I cannot wait to share it with all of you. I got a few things on my to-do list, so we need to get moving. So this is some of the groceries that I picked up today. I got my short ribs, as you can see here. And I got probably about 5 pounds of short ribs. And I needed an extra onion and some tomato paste. Some limes are gonna be for the delicious festive drink that I'm gonna share with you here at the menu. Of course, you gotta have some pumpkin cookies. Jody's making a pumpkin cheesecake. I also have some potatoes that I already did buy, and I'm gonna make potatoes with it as well. But I also gonna make a side of the no yolks because I really love these. And sometimes with that kind of gravy and that meat, it's really good to pour over these noodles. So I got these as well. And of course, you've got to have some garlic bread. And these are so good. And so I got a bunch of these. And let me show you some of the treats that I got. Okay, so some of the sweet treats that I picked up are, of course, you can't have any kind of a fall party, in my opinion, without candy corn. So I got these two here, candy corn. Scarecrow Crunch. Oh my gosh, this is just too good. I bought one in the beginning of the fall season and haven't bought one since, but I thought this will be fun to put out. Some pumpkin spice caramel popcorn and my absolute favorite kettle chips. Love these. They are just the best. So good. Some goldfish, which is always so fun to put out. And then this is the toasted graham coffee. I really like this coffee, especially this time of year. Also, I love the sugar cookie coffee too, but this one is so yummy. So I grabbed this, and let's see. Oh, I also have a bunch of my Trader Joe's pumpkin yummy treats that I'm going to be pulling out as well for this party. So that is as far as the treats. One other treat I forgot to share. Look how cute these are. It's the Witch's Brew Halloween Party Mix. And they are in different little shapes of like bats, and I'm not sure what the other shape is. Anyway, I'll show you all that when I show everything all set out for my party tomorrow. Look at how cute these are. I got these at Aldi, and I'm gonna decorate the patio. I'm thinking of probably maybe hang these underneath the umbrella, but they are floating witch hats. So this one has the purple, looks like a goldish yellow and white. And this one is 3 of the black ones. So I can't wait. They're going to be so super cute. Here is the menu for my harvest party, as I shared just a little bit ago. So the appetizers are charcuterie board that Kim is bringing, those pumpkin treats that I shared with all of you, and the chips and the Witch's Brew mix. And then the entrees are the braised short ribs. I'm gonna make mashed potatoes, also the noodles that I just shared with you. Now, I know you're gonna laugh when you see pizza, but a few of our guests are a little bit picky, so that we know that they love pizza. So in the event they don't like the short ribs, which I really think they're going to love, we just thought we would get a yummy pizza from one of our local pizza shops, which we love. And of course, dessert, pumpkin cheesecake. And then drinks, I'm making these delicious fall margaritas that I'm gonna put in my pumpkin dispenser. If you didn't see that, I shared it in my last Days in the Life vlog. And then wine, of course, and then some harvest beer. It's time to get the patio all set up for my harvest party. I am going to hang these witches' hats underneath the umbrella and clean off the patio and then start cooking. Seasoning up the beef ribs with some salt and pepper. I'm heating some olive oil in the Dutch oven. We're gonna go ahead and get these browned up. I'm gonna do a few at a time. Then we're gonna take them back out of the Dutch oven, and then we're gonna add some carrots and celery and some onion. This is the best part. Mark offered to make the fall margarita mix, so he's putting it together here in this adorable pumpkin dispenser. And any of the recipes that I talked about today, I will make sure that I share in the description section. I have the potatoes in some cold water, so I'm gonna turn those up here in a little bit to get them cooking. And I've got my no yolks in the boiling water. I'm getting these ready ahead of time. And then we'll just rinse them with some warm water right before it's time for dinner. But I'm telling you, friends, these short ribs smell so good in the oven right now. I've got our glasses ready on my loose light tray here for the fall margarita, some wine glasses if anyone wants wine. And I got my carafe here, so we got some Bonanza wine. And I also picked up this pumpkin pie liqueur. Alrighty friends, I'm gonna go. I finished, get ready. I changed and put my Dudley Stevens, my longer one on, so I can wear leggings with it and some boots. And I'll show you everything once I get out to the family room and kitchen. Our friends should be here in about 25 minutes. I'm really excited. It is such a pretty night tonight. Perfect, perfect for my harvest party and for us to go to the corn maze. It's gonna be just so much fun. I got the treats all in the tray here, the chips, and I showed you guys these earlier. I've got all my flameless candles going here. I got a festive Halloween backdrop here on my TV. The cozy factor here, I've got some candles lit. Potatoes are boiling. This is gonna be for the mashed potatoes. I got my plates, I got my menu. And yeah, actually I even have a festive scenery on our TV here in the office. Oh my gosh! Everything looks so festive for the harvest party.
Harvest party.
Harvest party. No, you're good. Yummy. All right, we are entering maze number 1, friends. This is so much fun. There we go. Number 1.
Somebody left the
Shit, boys.
Look at the one. There's one over there. It's like perfect. It's a good Frankenstein had that.
Friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me for my 3rd annual harvest party. It was everything that I hoped for and so much more.